Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Today we're looking up at the trees and just listening to the beautiful sounds of nature. So please join me in letting go of everything else and just taking this time to rest and relax and soak up these beautiful healing energies in nature. Listen to those beautiful birds, and crickets, the sound of life everywhere. And just enjoy all these blessings right here. Letting go of any other distractions, letting go of any other concerns or outside noises, and just focusing on being present here and now in nature. Looking up to the trees, seeing how much they've grown, and just like you. I can even hear a little bit of thunder off in the distance. And the message is not to be afraid, but to be reminded that you have everything you need within you for anything that comes your way. All the lessons you've learned, all your growth, perseverance, you're going to be okay. And enjoy this moment of peace and calmness, and every moment of peace and calmness that comes after that. And if and when there's ever a storm in your life, literally or figuratively, you can bring this calmness. You can bring this peace. You are this calmness. You are this peace, this gentleness, the energy of life, of love, part of this beautiful nature, God's creation, perfect exactly as you are, and equipped with everything you need to do everything you came here to do, achieve, and share. You are so gifted, so blessed, and we thank you for everything you offer. And take this time soaking up all these beautiful energies around you in Mother Nature, in the trees, in the birds, gathering them all up and packing them into your mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical bodies. Coming back slowly, back to this time, back to this place, bringing that peace and calmness, aligning with it, bringing it now with you wherever you go.